Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you Paladin Learn Honest Review. So Paladin Learn History is a history learning app designed to make the subject feel lighter and more approachable by turning historical events and figures into short, interactive stories. Instead of long textbook-style lessons, it breaks history down into bite-sized chapters with visuals, quizzes, and game-like progression system. Now, the idea is to help people learn or refresh history in small moments throughout the day, like during commutes or short breaks. Now, when looking at whether Paladin Learn is worth using, well, feedback from real people gives a fairly balanced picture. Now, based on Google Play and Apple App Store reviews, well, the app is generally well received. Many reviews mention that the storytelling format makes the history feel less overwhelming and more enjoyable, especially for casual learning. Now, people often say the short lessons are easy to follow and that visuals and quizzes help with memory and engagement compared to just reading articles or watching long videos. Now, at the same time, reviews also point out that some limitation. So, a common theme is that while the app is fun and engaging, the depth of information can feel light if someone is looking for academically detailed or highly sourced historical content. Some users describe it as more of like introduction or refresher rather than deep dive learning tool. There are also mentions of the subscription costs, with some people feeling that the premium price is a bit high compared to how much content is unlocked, especially if expectations were set by promotional material. Now, another thing that comes up in feedback is that the free version gives only a limited taste of the app. Now, to access most lessons and features, a paid plan is required, so this isn't unusual for educational apps, but it does mean the full experience depends on whether the subscription feels worth it for the amount and style of content provided. Now, from a legitimacy standpoint here, there are no major red flags. Now, Paladin Learn is a real app available on major app stores. It has a large number of downloads and shows consistent user activity and even reviews. Now, there are no patterns of complaints about using access, fake account, billing that doesn't match what's advertised. Most criticism focus on the value for money and content depth rather than the trust or safety issues here. Now, overall, Learn works best for a casual, engaging way to explore history, not as a replacement for textbooks, documentaries, or academic sources or courses. For someone who wants to make history feel more fun and accessible in short sessions, it can be enjoyable and motivating. For someone expecting deep scholarly coverage or a fully free experience, it may feel limited. Now, out of everything we found here, we could assume that this is pretty much legit and worth using for casual history learning and daily knowledge refresher. But that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.